Hello, welcome to Fashion Design from the Pioneers of Creative Education. This Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit brings in plenty of opportunities for children to engage in the process of experimenting ideas through fashion designing that encourages original thinking and self-expression. The various digital fashion designing activities that are part of this kit introduce the children to use software application that enables them to make a virtual portrayal of garments and accessories. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses drawing and painting materials, garment and accessory making materials, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms, a content-rich book with step-by-step instructions. Using this toolkit, the children will be able to perform 19 fashion design activities that help them to create fashion accessories like brooch pins, abraded denim wallets, handbags and sling bags, create a glowing gown, recycle old materials through shoe repainting, creating aprons and a lot more. A set of 4 digital activities lets them create mood boards, design garments through inspiration, and design garments with trending patterns and styles. The fashion design activities enable the children to design 3D objects using different materials with an understanding of shapes and form, exhibit an understanding of clothing materials and their properties, differentiate between natural and man-made fibers, exhibit their social responsibility in contributing towards a need of the society, explain the importance of using available resources, exhibits creativity in designing and planning, represent 3D shapes on a 2D surface. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today!